Hey guys, welcome to another round of seafood. This time I have, it's called abalone, or I think they also call it ormer. Don't remember the last time I tried this, or maybe never. Let's see how it tastes. Smells like chicken. All right, let's try. Ho ho ho. It's chewy. It does taste like chicken. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Alright. Let's take a second bite. Hopefully it's good. Well, honestly, it's okay. I'm not really a huge fan of this. Honest. It's not bad, but I think it could be prepared differently. Instead of steaming, maybe cut it and stir fry it. Alright, let's get on. Let's try this lobster and seasoned lobster. I don't know how it's gonna taste. I have here a huge female. This is a female. Huge one here. Alright. Oh my. Look inside. The eggs. Oh goodness. Oh, wow. Oh, the egg. Let's see. So I'm gonna pull out the tail. Alright then. Dirty stuff inside. Oh. Only one bite. Alright. Here's another gigantic bite. Wow. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.